Okay. Defeat the noobs. Defeat this. Yo guys are defeating noobs. I like the defeating noobs. Why are you destroying my statue? I might kill you. No. Yes, the statue got protected. After Ducky down. Again? Yeah, I hate this. Okay, just like Infinity Loop. Infinity Loop. Nah, I hate this. Oh man. No. Some robots. Nah, this one. I like this one. Hey, why won't you use this sword? It's wooden. Yeah, I'm gonna use this one. I'll use this. Yeah. Yeah, whatever. Protect the statue lah. Protect the statue. Statue. Nah, Statue of Liberty. Like probably get. What is this riff? Okay. Lasers will come towards. Okay, get to the safe spot. Let's save this. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna eat my screen. Hey! Uh-huh. Right. Ooh, I like this view. Okay, I will put this some ice cream. It's cold as ice. Let the noobs. Okay, this is the noob. Nah, I'm gonna use the dead noobs. I don't like this dead noobs. I like this. Those are dead noobs. From Roblox. Not even a Minecraft. It's over. Okay. I have to have fair love. Bam. Oh gosh. Those are shirts. Hey, do your shirts. Just wear a shirt. Wow. Give me the speed coin. I have it. The speed coils. Defeat the monsters. The zombies. Okay, continue. I'm not telling my mommy, my daddy to defeat. Congrats. Hold on, is that a witch? That guy, stop, zombie. Son of a stitch. The zombie brain. You son of a brain. I'm not going to say the B word. It's a bad word there. Yeah, because it's speed potion. Speed potion. Yeah, not the poison. I hate it. Again! That's my bay! Stop lie! Yeah, my girls, be quiet for this. Again. Good God, that. So I like this. No! Let's go. Okay, one more. Hey, I need one more. One more. One more. Boy! Where's the one more? Oh, that guy. Oh, let's go. What the? How? Ah, no. Meteor, stop. Not the minion. Ah, minions. Meteor. Ah, shoot. I think it's probably. Hey, I need the coins. Hammer. Yeah. Please, coin. I need this. I'm kinda homeless. I'm there. Oh, shoot. They're just traveling to Mars. That's it. I'm traveling to Japan and Mars. Yeah, but this is what I said. Okay. Like that. Damn! Ramen. Ah, Freeman. Oh, the cake is alive. What if I fell to the hole? Get the most beers into your team's hole. No way. 67. No, I hate. I hate this. I hate 77. It's the worst. 67 is the worst. Please, I'm not. It's a speed with this. Hey, my master. What are you doing? Yes, sir. Wait. Oh, that's what you say. Okay. Get to this. Hey, Spears, my ball. Get. Go to the hole. Go to my hole, my ball. Ball, you better go. Yes. Yeah, go to my hole. Ball, you have to go to my ash.